I'm locked inside the room with four mirrors. I miss the days you gone. Yeah, I built this mansion on my pillars, and I don't wanna quit until my family are all winners. Imagine that. People try to raise you, they beat you to your knees since everything seemed to hurt you. Talk about the days when you attended church school, then leave you with depression cause you feel like you are not cool. Fast forward a few years, now you're making the big moves. Talk about the pain and the problems that you can't lose. When it comes to the fame, nothing I gotta refuse. I'd rather chill with fam, enjoy the sights of all the views. I listen to the pain and everybody I've misused. Write another song, how about that? I miss you. Each and every day I feel I could convince you, but instead of feeling happy, I'm feeling all these tissues. You put my heart in a cage. I'm not walking away, we're so close, yet so far. I'm reaching out to your hands. Only you understand we're so close, yet so far. I made a pile of my worst moments, but I scurry back cause I can't show them why then. Cause you know I feel broken and I feel insecure every time my door's open, yeah. I know it's not your fault that these problems I'm enduring make you feel the taste of the hate that I'm consuming. Push you to the past with every problem I'm reviewing. I know it's not enough to make you feel like I'm improving. I know you feel better alone. If I could do it again, I wish that I would have known.
Anya, what do you think of Alisha's performance?
Don't worry about forgetting the words, we all do it, trust me, I've done it plenty of times. Right, so what I've got written down is, I can't believe you wrote that in 2 days. How did you do that? I mean, I can barely write a message back in an hour, and you wrote that in 2 days. I mean, that's insane. And your singing's actually quite good as well. Could you hear a little bit when it comes to like that little like breakdown bit? And you've actually got quite a nice voice. I didn't really peg you for the singing type, but I think if you really work at that, I think you could do a lot. And I think with your rapping as well, I think you could really improve on that. But I did notice that you were starting to get a bit more comfortable on the stage than you did in the audition, and I really like to see that because you were coming out a bit more. And I think that with a bit more experience, tiny bit more self-belief and confidence, I think you're going to own that stage, and I think you're going to nail it every time.
Kelly?
I think, like, you know, the best songs are written quickly because they just come from the heart, you know, and they kind of like flow. And that's the one thing I really like about your lyrics is they really address like really important issues. And I loved the chorus, I really did. I loved the singing part, and I agree with Anya. I think you need to explore that a little bit more. And do you know what? It's hard enough when you sing and you forget the words, but when you've got to rap, and I know you said in the background that you haven't been well, you've been in and out of hospital. So add that on top of the pressure that you're feeling, and I honestly wouldn't let that. I think you did enough before then to show us your skills and to show us how much more confident you were on the stage. So I really wouldn't let that little blip affect your performance in any way whatsoever. I thought you did fantastic. Well done.
Alisha, this is the perfect example for somebody, and I'm turning this into a positive view, but this is the perfect example. What you've just shown me today is somebody who has dealt with a lot in life. And what I mean by that is that when you got midway there and the words you've written, you forgot, you completely give up. You give up and you thought, I can't go any further, I've messed this up. That is far from the truth, all right? What you showed us in that small amount of time, for me personally, was even better than the audition. And I want to revert back to something I said to you in the audition, which I wasn't expecting to see tonight again. It's similar to with SLE. But in the audition I said, you know, about the flow in your songs. Make sure you got a bit more flow. And this, you actually brought a chorus line into it, which made the song so much better. I think I preferred the lyric in this one too. It gave a bit more difference to it. I preferred the track. Everything that you showed us in that small part was a step up. So don't stand and think, oh my God, that's it, I've messed up my opportunity, that's done. Because you can't go through life like that. You've got to remember you're capable of so much more, and just believe that. Don't ever give up instantly. You fight for what you can do because you are capable of anything. And you've come here tonight on a chest infection. And when I spoke to you, you thought to yourself, actually, yeah, I'm still gonna turn up, even with that chest infection, because regardless of what, I do on this song duty, and I am gonna push myself, and I can't thank you enough for that, because that shows me somebody who will push themselves and is committed. But when you're doing a song there, don't, you know, obviously prepare in advance with your lyrics. It's really important to prepare.
I did have a different one, but
Yeah.
I wasn't really sure.
Yeah, but that's fine. That's not a problem, honestly. What I don't think you should have changed the song. I loved what you done. There was nothing wrong with that at all to me. The only thing that I want you to do, if you are successful from you, is never ever give up. Don't give up, because you've got no reason to give up. You're talented, you've got something to bring to the table. Don't give up for anyone. You fight your way through that crowd and you go for what you want, alright? But please take that on board. Believe in yourself, because your ability is incredible, alright? Love the track, love what you showed us there, love the chorus line. That's all I needed to see. Well done.